Okay guys, the RSS feed and for IFTTT, what I want to show you is something slightly different from what we've done before. Okay, for my multi-channels course and for the live campaign, I'm going to be using these 5 channels within profiles, within Commando HQ, and also I'm going to be using them for playlists and various other things. Okay, so these are like a support channels. Okay, the main channel I'm going to use is my main KISS IM channel. That's one that I've been building up over the last sort of 2 or 3 years, and we will be using that one because it's got a little bit more authority and stuff like that. And the other one that I've been using is more video marketing orientated, but this one we're going to be doing some stuff with WordPress as well and some other optimization and traffic things. So I want to put it onto the KISS IM channel. These are my support channels, these 5, and I'm going to be building these into a profile as well, and so that I can use it very, very easily. Okay, but for now what I want to do is I wanted to put all of the channel RSS feeds, get them mashed up into one URL. So what I had to do is give it a mix, give the mix a name. You can see here I've put in here YouTube multi-channel SEO blueprint, and whatever name I put in here will appear in the feed URL. Okay, so it's in the title of that URL. Okay, so I've mashed that up. It takes a couple of minutes to do, and I've got this feed URL here. Okay, now before I send it to bulk ping, what I wanted to do is come over to IFTTT. You can see that in IFTTT I created one recipe, which I would just create again for you because it's I'll just delete this one, just simplify, show you from beginning actually. Okay, you can see I've got no recipes, all my channels are active. I've activated my YouTube channel, which is the KISS IM channel, and if I go back over here now to create a recipe, click on if this, and I come down, I'm looking for this orange feed button here. Okay, new feed item, and I put in the feed URL. That's the mashed up URL that I've got from the software. Okay, for these 5 channels. Create the trigger, then that will be WordPress. Create a post, and you can see here we've got the title, we've got the content from feed title. Now let me just simplify this. I want to get rid of this via IFTTT. I just want to get rid of that. I really don't want that in there. All I want in here is the content from feed title and the URL. I'll keep in here. Categories, I can just add anything I want in here, so I can just put video SEO for example. I want to get rid of this reference here to IFTTT as well, and in the tags I'm going to put the author name too. Entry author, add that, and post that is to publish immediately. So I'm getting my title in there, I'm getting the content in there, and the URLs in there. Okay, so just create the action, and all I have to do right now is create the recipe. Okay, so now anything that has been posted to any of those 5 channels, so there's a bit of building work going on around here. We've got a lot of new condos being built around here in Pattaya. Right, okay, so any new videos uploaded to any of these 5 channels will be syndicated into a YouTube link wheel. Okay, and the way we're going to make that happen is to go over to the software, into the IFTTT YouTube, and you can see I've got my IFTTT username and the password, and all I have to do is start creating the YouTube link wheel. Now before you go and click this button, just make sure you go into your channels section here of IFTTT and make sure that you don't have any inactive channels that we really need to have. Okay, the only one that should be shown as inactive here will be the Hootsuite one. Okay, so if I just scroll down slowly, you can see it's got offline for Hootsuite, which we know that Hootsuite stopped working with IFTTT, and everything else seems to be in order. Okay, so we've got YouTube, we've got WordPress, we've got Vimeo, we've got Twitter, Tumblr, etc., etc. Okay, all of these are still in here. So all I have to do then is go back to the software and start creating YouTube link wheel. Okay, this takes about 2 minutes. None of these accounts Not one of these accounts is a branded account. It's not an account I give a toss about, to be honest. These are just for social links. These are just for Web 2.0 links. It's just for link, just for nothing else, okay? No branded channels, no personal LinkedIn or Facebook accounts, anything like that. It's just plain syndication, okay? I'm just getting backlinks. That's it. That's all there is to this strategy. I don't care what it looks like. If it keeps posting every time I upload a new video to any of those 6 channels, which is the 5 which is in the RSS feed mashup, and plus this main one, and then I'm getting syndication, and that's all I care about. Okay, that's the end of that IFTT strategy as far as I'm concerned. But I do want to do one more thing, and that is to create a blog network as well. Okay, so I'm going to come over here. Let me just take this, and I'm not going to do it with the same account. They've actually got another one called 2012. Okay, so I'm going to get the password for that one. Okay, so this one is finished now, the link wheel, that's done, and that's all I need to do with that. I'm not even going to look at it again. I don't care if any of these go offline. I'm just not going to look at it again, okay? I don't care. It's just getting me instant backlinks for every video I ever upload, okay? The only ones that would really go wrong would be things like Facebook, but you can see that Facebook is a little bit further down in the link wheel, and Storify, you need to go and manually do something in there anyway. So if it ends at Tumblr, I don't really care. I've got YouTube to WordPress, WordPress to Blogger, Blogger to Tumblr. It's a mini link wheel. It's syndication, okay? And the WordPress one is a self-hosted one as well, okay? I just took out a 99 cents .info and put some information on there, okay? The Blogger one I filled out a little bit, Tumblr one I sort of customized a little bit as well. And then from there, what it's doing is anything favorited on that YouTube channel will get posted to WordPress, so it would do the same thing if it's favorited. And pardon me, anything posted to Tumblr will get sent to Delicious, it will get sent to Flickr, and it will get sent to, well, I can't do Hootsuite because Hootsuite is not working. Okay, so basically that's all I'm doing with that. It's finished. That's all I want to do with the IFTTT stuff as far as the link was concerned. Now, I do want to do a blog network, and to do the blog network, you can see I've got another, let's see, it's over here. I've got another IFTTT account. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get into the channels, and I'm going to deactivate the YouTube that was in here. I'm using an old account here. You can see it's for Tube SEO Blueprint. I'm going to deactivate that one. And I'm going to now activate it for the Case I Am one. Allow access. And you can see the Case I Am one is now activated. You can see that I don't have any recipes created here. And all I want to do is to take the username and password. So I'll just get the password. Okay, I'll just put the password in here and start creating the blog networks. And so every video upload will go to different accounts. These are different accounts on the same site. So this is a different Digo account, different Twitter account, different Flickr, Facebook, etc., etc., etc. Again, taken from the guy on Fiverr.com. They have got nothing to do with any branded accounts. They're not personal accounts. These are accounts that I really don't care about if they close. Okay, I honestly do not care if they close. It's just syndication. It's just to get some social links. It means whenever I upload a video, I'm creating this blog network and I'm creating some link wheels, okay, and I don't need to worry about it anymore, okay. That's it. That's IFTTT done, okay. What we are planning to do is something with Tube Social that replicates the IFTTT link wheels, where we can use proper syndication to branded and personal accounts, okay. But this way we can control it with Tube Social. With IFTTT, I really can. I can't control the way that they post the content. All I can do is give them the recipes that we want to do. If IFTTT multi-posts, it's out of my control, okay? But if I'm doing it with Tube Social, we can control the whole damn thing because we get nothing to do with IFTTT and I don't need to wait for their support. Okay, so for now, all I'm using IFTTT for is to give me automated link juice, links from Web 2.0 properties every time I upload a video. So instead of just uploading a video and using YouTube settings that post to Twitter, that post to Facebook, and that post to Google+, what I'm doing is I'm getting a whole bunch of other ones. And if any of these accounts close down, I honestly could not give a crap. Honestly, could not give a crap. I cannot emphasize that enough. It's just additional links for everything that gets uploaded, okay? Whether it's quality content or not is entirely up to you. I don't know what kind of content you're using in your YouTube videos. If you're using quality content, then you're distributing quality content. If you're using crappy content, then you're just distributing crappy content. That's entirely up to you, okay?